My wife and I now mostly work in Democratic, right? Like we're both going to have input. We're going to weigh our decisions based on each other's input, somewhat of the children's input. And I think it makes it easiest to move forward when you can agree in that style. This is the way that we should move forward, right? Because then there's like buy-in from all parties, right? Like here's all the information we have on the table. Um, here's all of our likes and dislikes about the situation, and what is our goal, working back from that, right? If this isn't in alignment with our goal, all right, then maybe this isn't a priority right now, and we'll step back and go a different direction, whatever the case may be.